Hey there, Kazi here, and this quick tutorial I will show you how to fix Discord update failed. So let's get started. First of all, let me just mention you that if you are getting a weak connection or very bad internet, then you can get this problem. Alright, so first thing first, you need to check the internet connection that you have. So for that reason, we will go to our browser and go to the first.com. Like this. As you can see, I'm getting like 80 to 90 mbps, which is quite good. So if you're getting like not mbps, like you are getting kbps, then it could be like your internet problem. Then just restart your just call your ISP and fix your internet first, then you can fix the problem of our update failed. All right, so this could be one type of problem. After that, if your internet connection is quite good, then you can go and to the search bar and search for percentage local app data. Then again tap on the percentage and it will show up a folder. You need to open it up, and then from here you need to search for the Discord, and then you will probably see a file name update. So you need to rename this file like update repair, like this, and then hit enter. Now if you just open the Discord, then as you can see, we got the Discord and which is correctly working. All right, so this could be it. But again, I'm showing you another thing, like sometimes Discord is on maintenance, so you need to check the maintenance time here. So for that, you can search for Discord maintenance like this, and then from here you need to go to this side. As you can see, there is no maintenance right now, but previously like in 24th of February there is a failure of 3 minutes. All right, so again in this session there is like major outage for 9 minutes. So there are some issues sometimes happen in the Discord, so you need to find out the Discord is working correctly or not from this website. And if you are okay with all of this, I think this might fix your problem of Discord update failed. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and we'll see you next time.